Start. Leave granted. Stop. In this appeal, short question filing for consideration is whether the appellant be granted leave to defend the eviction petition filed by the respondent's landlord. Stop. Appellant is a tenant in respect of shop premises situated on the ground floor of a property number 615 since 1988. Stop. The appellant has been engaged in carrying on her business in the said premises. Stop. The respondent's landlords filed an eviction petition under section 14 bracket 1 of Delhi Rent Control Act against the appellant inter alia on the ground of bona fide requirement to open office cum display counter on the main roadside to expand their business of cosmetic unit. Stop. The appellant filed application under section 25B of Delhi Rent Control Act read with section 151 CPC seeking leave to defend the eviction petition. Stop. The appellant raised the plea that there is no bona fide requirement and that the respondents have alternative accommodation. Stop. The additional rent controller Cardoma Court, Delhi dismissed the application of the appellant tenant on the ground that the appellant has failed to raise any tribal issue. Stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant filed revision petition before the High Court under subsection 8 of section 25B of Delhi Rent Control Act and the same was dismissed. Stop. Hence, this appeal by special leave. Stop. We have heard counsel for the appearing parties. Stop. Learned counsel for respondents contended that the landlords need the property in caution to expand their business as the space currently available to them is insufficient. Stop. It was submitted that the appellant tenant owned another property along with her husband in the same locality where she could shift her business. Stop. The appellant tenant denied the issues raised by the respondent's landlord with respect to having alternative accommodations. Stop. We are not inclined to go into the merits of rival contentions, lest it would amount to expression of views on the merits of the matter. Stop. In the facts and circumstances of the case, we are of the view that the appellant has raised a tribal issue in the sense that there is a fair dispute to be tried in the eviction petition and the appellant be granted leave to defend. Stop. However, leave to defend could be granted to the appellant only conditionally. Stop. When the revision petition was pending before the High Court, the appellant agreed to pay the landlord's rent at the rate of rupees 3000 per month, and the same could be continued. Stop. The impugned order of the High Court in revision petition number 347 of 2001 is set aside and the appeal is allowed. Stop.